complement of a set. So complement of a set means, for an example, we are denoting that one. Here I'll use X complement. This is the notation. Just write the X. Thereafter, there is a slanted line. This is not 1. This is not negative. This should be a slanted line in between 1 and negative. Okay. Sometimes mistakenly in a hurry you might indicate this one as 1 or negative. I found many mistakes like those in past years, so just draw that as a proper one. X complement, that means the elements which belongs to universal set, the elements should be included in the universal set but does not belongs to set X. The elements belongs to universal set means that should be denoted inside, but it doesn't belongs to X. So for an example, when I color the region in here X complement, it should be, this is the X circle. Now inside the X circle we will have the elements which belongs to X. So X complement means outside of X. The elements are located outside of set A. That would be our X complement. Very simple. In the second case, just look at it. Don't color the X circle. Any component belongs to X circle, you cannot color. Outside that, you can color the entire region. In the second case also, this is my set X. This whole is my set X. So X complement means outside of this one. So that would be this region. So do not color at least a single line inside this region. So that will be considered as an incorrect answer. So you have to keep it precise. So this is the region is called as X complement. In the third case, since it is an equal set, so X is this one. So X complement means outside of this particular set. That's all about X complement. That means the definition says that the elements which are included in the universal set but doesn't belongs to set X, that is defined as complement of a set. The elements are in the universal set but does not belongs to set X is defined as complement of X. So when we consider about Y, the same thing. The elements which are included inside the universal but does not belongs to set Y. Okay, so in the first diagram, same as X complement, here the Y complement would be the elements belongs to universal set but does not belongs to the considerable set. That means the Y. So outside of Y you have to color. Carefully color. While coloring and shading, don't exceed the limit. Okay, this would be the solution. In the second case, this is defined as our set Y. So the complement of set Y would be the external portion than this. You can radially color this. Coloring means by using your pencil, don't use pens. Okay, using your pencil, draw some straight lines. That's totally enough. In the last case, since it is an equal set, both X and Y are same. So Y complement would be the external portion with respect to the Y set. So that's all about the complement of a set. In this question, if the universal consists of all the numbers, counting numbers from 1 to 10, P is a set which includes 1, 3, 5 and a set of numbers. Q also includes set of numbers. Represent PQ in a Venn diagram. Before that, let's analyze what type it is. Disjoint sets, or there should be an intersection or subset. There are several types, no equal sets. Likewise, P. Okay, P is having some amount of letters. If there is any common letters, yes, 5 is a common one, 7 is a common one. So these are two different sets. P and Q are two different sets, but there should be an intersection. That's why we have some same elements in both cases. So likewise plan, thereafter execute your plan. Let's draw the skeleton. So here this would be my set. So I will draw here. This is set P. This is set Q. It doesn't mean the larger circle is the higher one. There is no any meaning like that. Okay, here we will have our universal. So P, it is 1, 3, the common ones. I will mark the common ones 5 and 7, 5 and 7 here also. 5. Okay, in next we have here 9 and 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 in set P. Q we have 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. And not only this, our task not done yet. There are some set of elements belongs to universal. Let's check all the elements are exist in these two sets or not. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3, 4, 5, but there is no any 6 belongs to both of these sets. So 6 should be included. It should be outside of these two circles. It does not belongs to P or Q. And 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there, 10 is there. So this is the final output. So here the task, definitely you should indicate the 6 outside. And P complement means, I will write here, P complements elements belongs to universal but does not belongs to set P. Outside of set P in ascending order 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. This is my set P. Outside of that, I have 2, 4, 6, 8. Thereafter, Q complement. Complement of Q, it would be, this is my Q set. Outside of that, I have 1, 3, 6, 9, 10. 1, 3, 6, 9 and 10. Let's check once more. 1, 3, 6, 9, 10. Mostly students, they may forget this 6. Okay. So finally you will end up with an incorrect answer. Then P intersection Q. That is simple. 5 and 7. And P union Q, it would be exclude except 6. You have to write all the other values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, not 6. 5, after 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the values belongs to the union set, P union Q. First, read the question and take just try to understand this is under which type. There are several type of sets. This is coming under which type of set. Thereafter, you can execute to draw the diagram, identify the common elements and place them in the intersection region. Then you can denote the P and Q and just check whether all the elements in the universal are included in these two sets. If not, you have to denote that outside of these two circles. That's all about this question. So here, by considering the Venn diagram given below, write each of the given sets in terms of its elements. So X. So what are the elements belongs to X? Inside the curly brackets, you have to write the answers. In ascending order, X means 2, 7, 8, 11, 14, 21. Then set Y, 7, 10, 14, 17, 21. And X intersection Y, that would be 7, 14, 21. X union Y means both together. 2, 7, 8, 10, 11, 14, 17, 21. Everything. And thereafter, we will have X complement. That means outside of X, we have 5, 9, 10, 13, 17, 20. And thereafter, finally, Y complement would be this one. 2, 5, 8, 9, 11, 13, 20. Those are the correct answers.